Hey guys, today we go outside and I bring you the new Magic 6 Ultimate smartphone, and this is the new recent flagship device from Honor. And today I'm going to have a very simple test about the camera about this flagship model from Honor. This is Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor flagship device, and it's time for the Magic 6 Ultimate. Is used the 6.8-inch curved screen, 1.5K display resolution, and 120Hz refresh rate. And maximum is support 4320 Hz high frequency PMW brightness adjustment. As for the camera, yes, it gets a 50MP front camera with 3D sensor top sensor, and also for the rear camera is a 50MP main camera. It's a OV50K 180Mp no OIS supported, and 50MP wide angle and macro lens, and 180MP periscope 2.5 times optical zoom performance, and OIS anti-shake camera. And next we go to the simple camera test. Zoom performance 5 times, 100 times zoom performance, and we can see the details of the flowers, and also wide angle 0.5 wide angle. And this is a normal video test about the camera. I put the original video at the end of the video, so you can check the video performance about this device. And also for the autofocus system, this device supports laser radar metric 60 fps autofocus. It tracks the object fast and quickly and accurately. And here's the video. And when we change, and we can find it's all very stable, and the videos will be very stable even we adjust the angles. Here, yes, we can get more about the pro mode. And also I will put the sample pictures at the end of the video. Get more mode. This is a curved screen, and also the design is very attractive. Use the classical push design and the triple roll camera system. The larger material, the back panel, it looks very comfortable, and the curved screen is very friendly using when you hold it on your hand. And here are the videos, original videos. Let's enjoy it. It's very stable. Even we adjust it, change the angles, and move it. And the day I show the videos, the day is not so sunshine. We can find the video is not so low bright, low and so dark, low bright. You can adjust the brightness. And yes, now let's enjoy more pictures, sample pictures about the smartphone. And yes, 100 times and even zoom performance. Thanks for watching. This is a very short camera test video about the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more questions from here. Bye bye.